Introducing Martijn from Glasbestellen.nl.
So my name is Martijn. I'm the co-owner of Glasbestellen.nl. We're a company in the Netherlands. We're an online player and we focus on delivery and installation of high-end interior glass. We've been using Smart Glazier Software since 2013, 2014, so let's say 10, 11 years now.
How has the software helped your business?
Smart Glazier Software has helped our business immensely in terms of speeding up every part of the process. So, for example, before we used to do a lot of drawings manually and a lot of ordering manually from suppliers. So every, every little deduction in glass had to be calculated manually, drawn on a piece of paper and then ordered. So once we've entered everything into Smart Glazier Software, for example, the shower design module, this sped up the process a lot.
What is your favorite feature of the software?
I would say my favorite feature about the software is, at this point in time, the shower design module. We really focused on showers, custom-made showers for our customers. We have to do a lot of quotes, really a lot of quotes. And I think we have the edge in the market by showing our customers what the shower is actually going to look like. And a lot of feedback we get from our customers, them saying, yeah, I now see you really understand what we're looking for.
Has Smart Glazier helped you gain more customers?
I would say Smart Glazier software has definitely helped us get more customers. Like I said, if you're able to show a customer the exact setup you're offering, attach some photos of the hardware you've included, they're really going to see what they're getting from a distance, which I believe has them have a lot of faith in your company.
How have you found the support?
Support for Smart Glazier has been great. I must admit we have been sending quite a lot of emails and calls, but all staff is really helpful. Over the years we've really gotten to know each other, so always there for questions and answers.
Would you recommend Smart Glazier Software?
I would recommend Smart Glazier Software. It has saved us a lot of time. You can't imagine.
To learn how Smart Glazier Software can benefit your business, visit our website at smartglazier.com or get in touch. We're excited to help.